Too much GH. Uyebwewate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Aha, too much GH, Ghana Wahala Jumedi, and Ebre, Asusamo song for Muniaba, Epiasi Kapa, and so Mede ever so much for any tea for Mamma Sepulkunamu way, ye dino a show as so now and a day, and some ababato a yam no so I between sir any abasa, a year founder and leader of the Laws Parliament Chapel International, just a young papa. Francis Amakun Atam ena eda ano wode sebi ababetu edwa afa abrantewa bi ene abaye bia womo wo mayi emu na womo yebu womo dia chese obia eni wom na wo make a deep revelation bi ede afa womo hu ne se ena womo so ena Ghana yebetimi edru mpempenso ayebedru ena womo so ena ye nyame like nyame na womo so ebema Ghana etimi edru ye mpempenso bi afa ye ntuma efre bi anase nyame na womo so di nhire bi ebetimi ababa bedrum eye wo man Ghana na ye papa se de womo nim no wo ye obi a wono dem wotatna ye Angel TV na Angel FM so eta ekasa yie pam ni titu pan ni interviews they are not any Captain Smart no pabofo wono etane no etwetwe enkomo ewo honum na papa prophet Amuakon ata ebaye no nensam odi atu edwa nyina enesem Ghana ha ye footballer artist wo bia enim no obono womoden ewo Black Stars mupa metwe ye nuabema Asamoah Gyan wodi simbi aba ede afa no ho am wo hu ne se wo ye great person Nyankopon ani ewo no ho wo ye nyame ani kosua adese nyame ani ku no ho yie papa nyame ewo so many things in him were impacting no ma bebree ewo ni mu a ne pano se Ghana fo anase se ye be ma na kwanya anase se akonya no beba wo betimi de sa ne pana nyame de dwe ni mu no aboa eye wo man Ghana man Ghana etimi de atu empon na ebusuafo wo kan ye na chese enye wonu enso enkwam ye nuaba ye Jackie Apia actress chese oduduo na edinim no duduo na penny movies said there was smiley ACF ne nyoma wo ye ntino won tante no ho ensem nkofo bel allergy e de fa no kwampa won tante se wa babon timpom ababa bebe yi wo ma no anase wa baba ka bibi e de afam na wono nsusu no nensem odi atu edwa efa no ho se wono nsusu wo ye rade bi kosua pa eyie anyame ni ku no ho Esther wo Bible titimire mu no ye mire mu no wono ene Jackie Apia ne Queen Esther ye mire bi atwam wo boam ne nkrofo no saa nsusu na Jackie wono nsusu oye ede ma oman Ghana wo se wo man Ghana chese ye so no wo soro eni kwansi ye tu na jeje mu na Nyankopon nam no so ema enhira wode dwe ni mu no ebi etimi ayeden aba beso na ye Ghana ye so na sei ena wode ne nsem no etu edwa wo se there are two famous celebrities that are going to be a blessing to Ghana. Asamoah Gyan is going to be a great person and a blessing to Ghana because God's eye is upon him and he is going to bless and it will be an impact to Ghana. Jackie Apia is also another God's eye and Queen Esther in Ghana. They are going to be used by God to bless Ghana. We ene papa ne nsem a wodi atu edwa wo chese Nyankopon enam wo so de ensakraye ebebem. God is going to use them to bless Ghana and the whole world will hear about them. Achese we ene nsem a wodi etwa eto chese Nyankopon nam enkrofo atituru mienu we so Asamoah Gyan ene Jackie Apia so ebema Ghana chese enhira ene mpegya nyame ewo edema wo mayi no what the bedroom or may just say what may be picture or may be a cassette and in anum a benam a yin your bema and yin your bay as some now yes after will be a buna will be as some a betty a year a beam now what didn't some no add to a jar area in a Ghana for Binum sin as a way they news be because Remono, any one ya 2 or mudi will be a quadabra bobo that appeared near winning. Oba some dear winning, say baby jet, and when him say a year that appears to trusting him, and people know her for the smile name, and in normal way, and to the say walk a sunny, Yami ebe shra woman as in shra, at the moment Ghana binya so emphasis, and on bad dear, one who say idea that because they are famous no came and I said they came into the limelight through what they do, their profession. I say yeah, Samoja or yeah footballer, and I say that appearance so one or yeah actress. It's no idea just one more and I'm sorry pa any woman and no mudi enya woman and who are omudenya woman enya woman japadi and he say or case nyamena womusu edibeshira woman or kind of sack a and as a yamen nam woman you so the beshira or my Ghana so what kind of sa what radia now one would your party because in Shanadi one more than the day be made so one more foundations and then other and your ma one more a year the boy a year after for Teddy and Cofonia almost so emphasis into will kind of sadia one can at the soon could be I can say what say one moon is a woman the musun quan I said one more superior now one more different people I said one more dear for one more diagro be there be a idea woman who woman dada into the work candidate and then news and for a mom so to make sure the what the potian Obetimi aye e dia bo wo man na ma ye hunu se we ni de obetimi aye a e dance bi eni wo man yi mu dia nka no de different ba o ka se enhira de enhira no wo mo wo dada nyame ehira wo mo e dada e na people know them to say they are famous dada enti e no no de enye eye bibia na no de binu so e ka se wo betimi aba se de binu mo ka se oba bi betimi de wo man so e bia na ye Jackie said the work and no na wo person won kan emfa ensusu enti e bia betimi abasa enti no ye ma ye ni enko ye ehu na so dodo na hu ne se we de ne nkomhye we de enye nkomhye na mu hu ne se ye ade a ekoso wo omo abrabo mu anu enti no eni kwan se wo beka ede egwagwa no enti we de wa beka kra anka enye hwe ne no na ye chese twema mentwe ebi mu ne se we de wa kan na ebe ma wo mu so ni ada wa ma se no wo mu nya o ma de so mbebo man na ana so mbe bibi pa bi e de amo abo man na so wo mu suro se wo mbe bibi e de abo man na no kwa be kanya wo mu ama nyama pa wo mpe so mu yema o man no wo matimi aye na etimi ama o man no so edru empepe so a wo mu epese eye edru na ebusuafo ye di esie no de ye papa akande afa ye nuanu mienu yi hu de na so wadwen echewu eti efa wo no mo ya din se ya de esi wo mabrabum da denti we de nye news bia anase no susu ehu enya ka waka na ebeboa ede ensakaye foforo bi susu aba for adwenche a wo fa ensebi hu ebra e Tuma GH your comment section like the videos na share all the social media platform eso ekeskapa enmidi makram